attend to. You may not leave the room. I'll return shortly.
What are you in detention for? Because I seem to remember you telling me that you were too good for detention.
Oh, screamed at a teacher.
Oh, geez, didn't know you had it in you.
Why are you here?
Nothing really.
Isabel. Hey, Isabel, come here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? Because someone told me that your mum has cancer.
Well,
Look, if I'm making you uncomfortable, you can just tell me.
no, it's not that.
Okay, because if you ever need to talk, you can talk to me, okay, about anything. It could be about a goldfish dying. You can still talk to me.
Really?
Yeah, of course, I am a nice person.
I didn't mean it like that.
I know you didn't mean it like that. Anyways, there's something I think might make you feel a bit better. You ever tried pills before?
No.
Well, I think that this will make you feel so much better about, well, you know.
My mum?
Yeah. £10?
No.
Oh, they're completely harmless. Trust me, I promise they're harmless.
No, I've already said I don't want it.
Hello, Martin. Would you like these pills in here?
Yeah.
I think there's 7 in here. It's quite a good batch, actually.
Yeah.
There you go, just put the money in here. Thank you. Chloe? Oh, who's that? You're in for a treat. Have you forgotten you've been excluded?
So you're worried now.
Yes, I'm worried. Do you not remember what happened last time?
Have you forgotten what I know about your brother?
I thought you said you wouldn't tell anyone.
Yeah, sure. Just give these to those kids in there.
Oh my gosh, you've given him back 17. Oh my god, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. What am I going to tell school? What am I going to tell? Oh. It was my drugs. Someone else gave them to him.
God, Beth, what did you do?
I didn't do anything. I think it's about what you've done. You gave me batch 17. Sorry, who are you?
I'm Chloe, and despite what Beth says, there's nothing wrong with the drug.
There is clearly something wrong with the drugs if they've killed 2 people.
Food poisoning.
Food poisoning? Expect us to believe that.
Yeah. Why are you talking? I heard you stab someone with a pair of scissors because you got too upset.
At least I haven't killed 2 people like you.
You have no room to talk. I've got an idea. So, you know how you say that these drugs are harmless? Should we put that to the test and see if everyone can see if they're harmless or if it's just food poisoning?
Wait, what?
Here you go.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Oh, are you feeling okay? Oh, I think she's got food poisoning. Must be. What did you eat today? Did you eat anything raw?
Oh, some spaghetti.
Yeah, she did. Okay, well, see you later.